Hello student, this is Ashish Vegadwa from Electrical Department. Today we will learn Chhopper Part 4 in the subject Power Electronics. Let's move to the content of this topic. In this topic we will learn Type E or fourth quadrant chopper. Also we will learn chopper merits and demerits. And last we will learn chopper application. Let's start with the Type E or four quadrant chopper. This kind of chopper is operate in first, second, third and the fourth quadrant. It consists of 4 switches and 4 diodes in anti-parallel. In this chopper, numbering of chopper is done corresponding to quadrant in which it will operate. If switch 1 and switch 4 are triggered, then output current will flows in the direction from the supply to the switch 1, switch 4 with the output voltage VO, and we will get output voltage is equal to the supply voltage, that is VO is equal to Vs. It will give us operation in first quadrant. Now switch 1 and switch 4 both are off. The energy stored in the inductor is going to dissipate through the diode D2 and diode D3 such that this diode D2 and this diode D3 will become forward bias. Hence the output voltage is equal to VO is equal to minus V. It means load is going to charge the supply. When diode D2 and diode D3 will forward bias, we will get operation of the chopper in fourth quadrant because voltage is negative. Now suppose switch 2 and switch 3 are triggered, then load current IO will flows in the direction it is opposite to the previous one such that output voltage is equal to minus Vs. If switch 2 and switch 3 are triggered, then output voltage is negative. Same time the current will flows opposite to the direction of current which we have assumed previously. Here output voltage and output current both are negative such that we will get operation of the chopper in third quadrant. Now suppose switch 2 and switch 3 both are off, but the load current will flow in same direction through the diode D1 and diode D4, and diode D1 and diode D4 will become forward bias. Hence the output voltage VO is equal to minus Vs. Therefore the chopper will operate in the second quadrant because voltage is positive whereas current is negative. So this is a circuit diagram of type E chopper. So as per this diagram we have connected 4 switch, that is S1, S2, S3 and S4, and 4 diode in anti-parallel to the each of the switch, that is D1, D2, D3 and D4. So this is the characteristics of type E chopper. It having 4 operation, that is operation in 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now suppose switch 1 and switch 4 are on and diode D2 and diode D3 in reverse bias such that we will get current from the supply to the switch 1 to the load to the switch 4 and negative of the supply. So voltage is positive, same time current is positive. So we will get operation in the first quadrant. At that time inductor is going to store energy inside. So suppose if we turn off the switch 1 and switch 4, at that time this inductor is going to change their sign. It will try to dissipate through the diode D2 and diode D3. Hence the supply voltage will become negative as well as supply current remain as it is such that we will get operation in the fourth quadrant. So current will flows from the load to the diode D3, supply diode D3 and come back to the load. Hence we will get operation in the fourth quadrant. So when switch 1 and switch 4 are on, it is a kind of step down chopper. Same time when diode D2 and D3 are on, we will get operation in fourth quadrant. It is also step down kind of chopper. In the fourth quadrant it will operate as a step up chopper. Now suppose if we turn on the switch 2 and switch 3 such that current will flows from the supply to the switch 2, load, switch 3 and come back to the supply. Hence the direction of current is negative. Same time voltage will reverse. Hence we will get operation in the third quadrant. In this quadrant chopper also operate as a step down chopper. And the last, if we turn off the switch 2 and switch 3, then the inductor is going to dissipate their energy through the diode D1 and diode D4 such that the current will flows from the inductor to the diode D1 supply to the diode D4 and come back to the supply. Hence we will get operation in the fourth quadrant, and it is also step up chopper because input voltage is less than the output voltage. Let's see what are the advantages and disadvantages of chopper. First one is it is capable of commutating any amount of load current. It means it can carry any amount of load current. It doesn't require an inductor to commutating. It not require an inductor for commutation purpose. It means we not require an inductor to turn off the SCR. And the third one is filtering requirement are minimum as it can work at very high frequency. As the frequency will increase, requirement of component for filter designing will reduce. Let's see disadvantages. So during peak load voltage in the chopper, peak load voltage is twice the supply. Second one is higher switching losses, hence lesser efficiency, as the losses will be higher because of the higher number of switch, such that we will get lesser efficiency in the output. FD is subject to the twice the supply. It means we have to use freewheeling diode. Rating is very large than the supply voltage. It requires commutating capacitor has to carry full load current at a frequency half of the chopping frequency. Let's see various application of chopper. So chopper are used to control the DC motor in battery supplied vehicle. It is used in solar and wind energy conservation. It is also used in electrical car. We can use chopper in aeroplane and spaceships where onboard regulated DC powers are required. Chopper can also used in the power supply of the computer, commercial electronics and electronic instruments. So here I am question for assignment. First one is explain class E chopper. Explain merits and demerits of chopper. And the last, explain application of chopper. Thank you.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJP Electrical. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast. If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJP Electrical. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast.